Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change keyboard character repeat delay in Windows 11. If we want to change this option, we need to click right mouse button on icon with start and we need to go to settings. Then from the left panel we need to select Bluetooth and device settings, and after that we need to scroll down and find here something like keyboard character repeat and hotkeys. So we need to open this option, and now the first option is keyboard character repeat delay. On default it is set to this value. Of course we can set here the short or maybe long value. Everything depends on your preferences, and of course we can change the keyboard character repeat rate. If we want to have it faster, we can set here maximum. If we want to have it medium, we can set here maybe 14th. And if we want to have it slow, we can set here 1 or maybe 0. But I recommend you to set it on these values. So I set here fast and here I set 1. So in this way you can adjust these settings. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.